So we're going on vacation soon, and I want to make sure that I have my entire garden completely watered and taken care of while we are gone, so that my neighbor doesn't have to take care of it for me. So we've got a couple of things set up here. So we have a rain point sprinkler system that we've gone ahead and set up to water every single morning, and then we also have our sprinkler system set up, as you can see, in different places throughout our garden. Now it comes with several different connectors. This one is a 4-set connector, a 2-set connector, and then a single line connector. Now we've had this particular water hose now for 2 years, okay? 2 years already. And it has worked wonderfully, except for a couple of things that we've already changed out. Let me go ahead and show you what those are. So the first thing we've changed out are these, and what happens is that the rubber here actually tends to go ahead and actually kind of wear out, and so you're needing to go ahead and actually, if you want to pull this off to replace it, you can. However, we ran out of line a long time ago, so it was easier just to go ahead and cut this, put in a new one, which we had extras of, and then go ahead and actually set it up into the new system. The other thing that we've changed are actually sprinkler heads. As you can see, these are kind of white, and this is just from sun damage, and then we live out in the country, so we have hard water, and over time this plastic just starts to get really, really brittle, especially from the top. And if I was to go ahead and push kind of hard enough on some of mine, the top part of these would actually go ahead and break. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, I'm kind of like breaking it just with my fingernail because it gets super brittle. So these are very affordable for you to go ahead and actually purchase to replace them. Super easy for you to go ahead and actually install and then change out if you're needing them for different areas of your garden or even your landscaping space. The other thing I really like is that if you're not needing to go ahead and actually use one of your sprinkler heads like this one, you can actually go ahead and turn it off completely, and you can just kind of leave it alone and it doesn't damage or hurt anything whatsoever. Overall, this has been a great investment for us and a wonderful sprinkler set for us to go ahead and have, especially when we're on vacation and when I forget to go ahead and actually water all of our plants. Thanks for watching, guys. If you felt the review was helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumb below so the other people will go ahead and know to watch the review. Y'all have a great day.